I believe, nods it out. Now Cloutier trying to cross. Anyone's to claim in the air. Bicycle! Oh my golazo! The most incredible goal in CPL history levels this final. The Magic Man makes it 1-1.
Through the snowflakes, David Rodriguez with an incredible finish. Corner kick, balls bouncing around. Calgary can't clear their lines. We see the initial ball in, and Elva does a good job of getting it out, but the ball's not cleared. And this ball just floats back into a position for Rodriguez, who creeps in and goes overhead kick past Carducci. Incredible finish from David Rodriguez. And we got a tie game in the snow in Ottawa, our nation's capital, for the New Star Cup.
Muy bien.